Yes guys, and we are back again to another rebuild, and this time guess what, we picked up a 2013 VW Golf Plus from auctions. And there's a gist to this one, because this car went for so cheap, and I know the reason why. I did not notice it before I placed the auction, and I probably wouldn't have bought it, but the reason why this car went for cheap was because this car has not had an MOT for the last 9 months. Now, someone did see that, and whoever bidded on it before I did probably noticed it didn't have an MOT, so they decided not to bid a little bit more. I don't know, but I took the chance on this one and I bidded on it. And guess what? Oh, this car is absolutely amazing. I literally even drove it in here because it runs and it drives so good. It's got good service history. Man, you know what? I'm not going to keep ranting about this car. We've seen the damage and we are going to fix it. And guess what? We're going to get this car done in the next 3 hours. 3 hours tops. We're going to get this car repaired. So keep watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you on this build. And just as we do it on this channel, we give the car an inspection. Focus on the interior, exterior, under the hood or under the bonnet and the tires. So we're going to crack on straight into this and then have a review of this car, see what this car needs, and after that we can quickly get this car in and get it sorted. Guys, as you can see in this video, you can see that the car has got quite a bit of damage in the front. It's taking an impact on the driver's side headlights and then the bonnet. But before we start, let's go and tackle the interior. So the doors open, door open and closes. That works. We can look at that. That also works. That works. And that also works. So doors are good. So that is a green for the doors. We can have a look at the windscreen and then the windows. So windscreen and windows. Is there any damage here? No, that's not damage. That's not damage. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. As you can see, all this window works. That one works. Yeah, rear windows works, and that one too also works. So all windows work. So all 4 windows works. That is sorted. Have a look at the seat belts and the seats. Seat belt is good. Seats looks really mint, isn't it? Oh, these Golfs are nice cars, man. Oh, those seats are good. Yeah, we've got the stuff in the back of the car already, man. We've picked up a new part for it, so they're quite good. Yeah, seats are good. Seat belt is important. Seat belt. I try to avoid buying cars that have got an accident where the seat belt has just like damaged. So yeah, but so seat belt is good. Yep, horn works. Speedo dial works as well, and then the headlights. So let's have a look at the lights. Well, we've lost one headlight here, but this obviously works. You can see. Yeah, steering is good. Steering works perfectly. So steering is all good. Let's have a look at the exhaust. See how good the exhaust is. Oh, it looks like it's got a brand new exhaust on. Oh my god, days, man. This car's got a brand new exhaust. That is even a plus. We can have a look at the coolant to be sure the coolant is all good. Yeah, coolant looks good. Oil definitely looks like it needs a replacement oil. So we're definitely going to replace the oil on this one. We'll give it a full service. Yeah, the battery condition. Yeah, the battery, I think the battery will need a charge though, because I had to jump start it, but I know it's because it's been sat for a while, so maybe we won't drive it, but I'll give that an amber. And all the tires are fantastic. Look at the state of these tires. They look brand new, no bulge, and they are premium tires as well. This is Dunlop tire. That's a Michelin tire here. There's another Michelin tire that looks fantastic here, and that is a Dunlop tire here as well, and they are all up to 1.6. All right, so we're gonna quickly get this car sorted. So we're gonna get in this car, get it to the front of the house, replace the wing, bumper, headlights, and the brackets. We're gonna try to aim at getting this car done in the next 3 hours. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and subscribe. Subscribe. Let's film this in. Strip. All right, guys, so we're going to quickly go down to the stripping down of this car. So we're going to strip down the whole front, and then we'll put in the new part. But you can see that when we pick it up, it's a bit half a damage. It's got damage on the crash bar as well. So we'll quickly give it a strip down, and then that should be done. It's been put on axle stands now. So whoever commented in the last comment saying don't jack it up with an axle stands, I've got axle stands, and I've done the right thing now. Thank you very much. Let's quickly get this done. The belt quality on this car is absolutely amazing. Look at how much I don't know if you can see it. Oh, come on, give me some light. They literally glued this whole panel on. It's absolutely amazing. You don't see that on newer cars anymore. Everything just bought on, bought off, but literally been bought on and been glued on. But qualities on this cars are absolutely amazing. So I think we are doing quite good on time. Car's been stripped, literally been stripped up. So it's been stripped apart. So you could have a look. So we've got the whole front end off. We managed to get the wing off as well. And then we are going to fit the new replacement. So we've got a replacement in color. So that is the replacement one in color. That number plate does not work, does not exist anymore because it's been broken. And that's it. So that's a wing as well. So we've got a replacement and we're still looking good in time. I think we've used about an hour to strip this apart. So fitting it back shouldn't take us more than an hour to fit this whole thing back. So I'll catch you on. It's crazy how much it feels like when you rebuild like 2 cars in a day. And I've been wasting a lot of time looking for a bolt to put on, but it's not the bolt because it's on the other car that I just fixed before this car. And yeah, I'm tired now, so but let's quickly get this one sorted and then crack on. Guys, look what we found. Found a light.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, it's a good light as well.
Now you charge this one. Now it charges. Yeah.
Yeah, now I can work in the dark, innit?
Yeah.
Who forgot his light in there? Some insurance companies are mental, innit? Grill.
Yeah.
That's fine. I've done enough today. Alright guys, so we are back to getting the VW Golf Plus done. Yeah, we couldn't finish it the other day, and yes, I did throw a challenge to get it done in 3 hours, but guess what, within 3 hours it was already dark, and I had like neighbors coming around having conversations, and I was also engaging them, and yeah, so it made the work longer, but we're going to finish up today. I had work, so I couldn't get it done earlier on today, so I'm gonna try and finish it up today. But this is gonna be the fastest build I've ever done so far on this channel, so you guys should just take it. But yeah, so far we've got the wheel arch, so now we've got only the wheel arch to put back in. We've got those that little foam padding in there, so wheel arch, foam padding in here. We've got the under tray. I've taken the under tray off because I want to do a service for the car, so under tray is off. Yes, and then we did finally get a grill, but guess what? We got a grill, but it's not the right grill. Look at that. That is the wrong grill that was sent out. This is definitely for a Golf, not a Golf Plus. So that is a mistake, and that's gonna draw us back again. It's just gonna make this build even longer, but we're gonna sort something out. So we've got to return this back. Hopefully the seller accepts accept returns, but we're gonna try. Yeah, but what do you think about the fitment, guys? That looks like it's a little bit off, but we'll try and get it back in. But yeah, that is not bad at all. We just need to bolt it all up. So yeah, so we've got bolt, wheel arch, foam padding. Basically that's it done. Wheels on. We take it out for a drive on the private road, and then just a little bit of a drive around, and then we book it in for the MOT, which is tomorrow, and then get the MOT done. Come on! This might not. Oh, it's rounded out. It's rounded it. It's rounded. Not a good one, is it? A good start. Oh, perfection. I think so.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Pass that no easy.
So I remember the black car.
Yeah.
And they do I come out. I put on. I come out. I put on. If you get a good example of a Golf,
Yeah.
Yep.
You capture. You don't go in sound. This be nice content.
All right, that's it, guys. Car is all set and done. We are literally done with this car. Everything looks absolutely wonderful and it's really aligned properly. We only left to do with a service, so we're gonna still leave it on the stands. We'll do a service for it and then book it in for an MOT and make sure everything is done. But before we book in for MOT, we'll do our last inspections. We'll make sure that we've ticked up all of the things that we had on the list when we were going to repair it and all the things that we needed to do, and then we'll get in for an MOT. But we need a grill as well, and guys, if you're out there and you've got a grill, let me know because this video is going up soon. But stay tuned, we're going to give it a wash, a service, and MOT. Now this is weird because this is a very tight spot just to get this out. Fresh oil. Haha. Yeah, we're getting this service now, so that should be ready. It's finally in. Let's get it on. Let's finish this build. At this point, I wasn't wasting any more time. Fitted the grill and the screws that came with it, and then quickly nipped over for the MOT as I was running out of time. And just like that, car is finally back from an MOT. And guess what? It's a pass. The only thing we got was a nail in the, I think, the offside rear tire or the near side, one of them. But in the rear tires, one of them, it had a nail in it, and we are going to get that one sorted. But the car is up for sale now, guys. Car is up for sale. If you are interested in this car, follow my Instagram and send me a DM, or you can equally send me an email or a message. I'll leave the link to my Instagram below, or my username on my Instagram below right here, so you can quickly send me a message if you're interested in the car. But let's quickly have a look at this car. And guys, and just like that, we've managed to transform this car from that to this, an affordable, reliable daily. Look at the beauty of this car. I don't want to show you the spoilers in the background because we have another one cooking, which is going to come up soon. But oh my, look at the beauty of this car. Absolutely, absolutely lovely car. Absolutely lovely car. Look, you wouldn't even know it had a damage before. Everything is perfect. If you love this video and if you love content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week, this time on the next build right in front of me. And this one is even more exciting. See you.